Hi, I'm Evan Carpenter, President of Aquascape Environmental. We take a lot of calls about stormwater management and remediation needs. For a lot of properties, these types of features are out of sight, out of mind, they're underground, and they're just a big unknown. We decided to put together a quick video that shows some of the common issues for these types of features. We specialize in providing assessments for these types of features as well, whether it be an underground facility, utilities related to runoff, or maybe a surface detention pond, anything related to water management needs in a stormwater fashion. Feel free to contact us via our website, aquascape.net, or give us a call here at the office. Thank you.
This road culvert pipe is clogged. You can see the water now going over the road. This is the back side of the pipe, barely flowing. The entrance and centerline pipe completely undercut. Water flowing underneath the inlet. The entire thing's rusted out, and you can see water flow underneath the pipe. Close up there. Pipe starts really separating through here. Same as here. Pipe is really separating.